Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Friends, Realme smartphone company has launched their best smartphone at very low prices. So in this video, I will explain you about Realme C11. So please watch this video till the end. So friends, Realme C11 has been launched in India as the latest entry in its C series of budget-friendly smartphone. It comes with octa-core processor and a large battery. The phone sports a water drop style notch and relatively slim bezel on the side with a thicker thin at the bottom. There are two color options available for the Realme C11 but only a single RAM and storage configuration. The Realme C11 has made its way to the Indian market following its Malaysian launch at the end of June. So let's talk about the Realme C11 price in India. The Realme C11 price at Rs.7499 for the sole 2GB RAM and 32GB onboard storage model. It comes in two color options, namely rich green and rich grey. The phone will go on sale starting July 22 at 12 PM noon via Flipkart and Realme website. It will soon be sold via Realme's offline partners. So now let's talk about the Realme C11 specification. The dual SIM Realme C11 first impression runs on Android 10 with Realme UI on top. It features at 6.5-inch HD plus 720 into 1600 pixels mini drop display with 88.7% screen to body ratio and 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by the octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 Snapdragon coupled with 2GB of LPDDR4X RAM. For cameras, the Realme C11 has a 13 megapixel primary sensor with an f2.2 lens and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor with a aperture 2.f portrait lens on the back. For selfies, there is a 5 megapixel sensor with an aperture f2.f lens housed in the water drop style notch. In terms of storage, the Realme C11 packs 32GB of onboard storage that is expandable via micro SD card up to 256GB through a dedicated slot. Connectivity option includes 4G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0, GPS, micro USB and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The sensor present on board includes a accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor and a magnetic induction sensor. The Realme C11 packs has the 5000 mAh battery, the support reverse charging. Lastly, the phone measures 164.4 into 75.9 into 9.1 mm and weight it's about 196 grams.